Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you. And I am truly, truly, truly grateful to both of you for joining in at the right time and at a very quick notice because एकदम से अचानक से कुछ आ गया. So today in the morning only I had some meeting with Vikas जिसके अंदर he was telling me कि if you are not well, cancel the meeting tonight. And I was telling him नहीं नहीं cancel तो जो मर्जी हो जाए नहीं करूंगी. And then universe gave me another opportunity to cancel this session कि हाँ तुम्हारी sister in law आ रही है अभी क्या करोगी अब कैसे करोगी. I was like shit अब क्या
Correct.
करूं. I was like चलो जल्दी से वो देती हूँ ग्रुप के ऊपर. I am sure एक आध कोई तो आ ही जाएगा and let's do it that
Right.
way. So thank
Hmm.
you for supporting and being there for me with me. Today we are discussing chapter number 7 of this beautiful book, The Power
Hmm.
of the Subconscious Mind, which talks about the tendency of the subconscious in the life world.
Hmm.
तो इसके अंदर while I was reading, I was क्योंकि अभी थोड़ी सी अनवेल भी हूं तो this was
Hmm.
something that actually मेरे दिमाग में खनका भी कि how the body portrays the working of the mind and हमारी बॉडी को पता है if there is something that is not aligning with the body, that is when you get unwell as well.
Hmm.
तो मेरे को लगा ओहो अच्छा आज तो ये पढ़ने की जरूरत भी थी एंड आई गॉट टू रीड दिस. तो एंड व्हाई इट्स नॉर्मल टू बी हेल्दी वाइटल एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग और व्हाई इट्स एबनॉर्मल टू बी सिक इज ऑल्सो अ रीजन दैट हैज बीन गिवन इन दिस बुक विच आई वुड लव फॉर यू टू गो एंड रीड.
Hmm.
आराम से अच्छे से पढ़ना सो दैट you get those bulb on moments as well.
Hmm.
Here, let's discuss the pointers of review so that we can, swiftly go through this chapter together. For the ones who have not read it, read the chapter. And कुछ
Okay.
भी बलवान moments होंगे तो share it in the chat in the group. Group में भी कुछ energy ऐसे होनी चाहिए.
Yes. तो मैंने इसका एक पैराग्राफ पढ़ा अभी 5 मिनट में, जब
Great.
आपने 5 मिनट टाइम दिया.
हाँ.
तो मैं इसका अपना बताना चाहता हूँ कि इसमें पॉट्स डिजीज क्योर्ड. ठीक है. तो कोई अपना बंदा था, वो 1917 में. यस. हाँ. दैट ए बॉय सफरिंग फ्रॉम पॉट्स डिजीज और ट्यूबरकुलोसिस ऑफ द स्पाइन.
Yes.
ठीक है. तो उसको अपना हीलिंग हो गई, क्योंकि उसके डॉक्टर ने उसको बोला कि भाई ये इनक्योरेबल है, ये ठीक नहीं हो सकता है. तो फिर
And उसने
उसने,
कितनी अच्छी affirmations करी.
हाँ, वो अफर्मेशन वो बहुत बढ़िया है कि ही
Yes.
अफर्म्ड ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन मेनी टाइम्स अ डे दैट आई एम होल, परफेक्ट, स्ट्रांग, पावरफुल, लविंग, हार्मोनियस एंड हैप्पी. He preserved and said that this prayer was the last utterance on his lips at night and the first in the morning.
एंड
So that,
लास्ट
yes.
चैप्टर में इट हैज बीन आइट्रेटेड
Hmm.
मल्टीपल टाइम्स कि जब आप सेमी
Hmm.
स्लीपिंग स्टेट में कुछ भी एफर्मेशंस करते हो दे गेट जल्दी से एफर्मेशंस जो है इनटू रियलिटी हो जाती हैं.
Hmm.
एंड उसका रीजन भी बताया गया है कि एट दैट टाइम कॉन्शियस माइंड आपको रिवोल्ट करने के लिए कम
Correct.
आएगा सामने एंड सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इज एट इट्स हायर स्टेट.
Yes. So this attitude of mind and way of prayer returned to him multiple times. His faith and perseverance paid off with his dividends. When thoughts of fear, anger, jealousy, or envy drew his attention, he would immediately start his counteracting force of affirming going in his mind. His subconscious mind responded according to the nature of his habitual thinking. This is the meaning of the statement in the Bible. Go the way the faith had made these whole barns. Hmm. Yeah, the whole. Go the way the faith.
गो दाई वे दाई
Go thy way.
फेथ
Yeah.
hath
Thy faith.
made
Yeah.
the whole. जो
Hmm.
जिस चीज में आप फेथ करोगे दैट इज गोइंग टू कम ट्रू.
Come true. Correct.
और वही आपको होल बताएगा. तो
वो
अभी
बताए.
तब से मैंने ये पढ़ा है तो आई हैव बीन थिंकिंग अबाउट व्हाट इज इट
Hmm.
दैट आई वाज बिलीविंग एंड थिंकिंग
Believe.
बिकॉज ऑफ व्हिच आई गॉट कोल्ड एंड कफ एंड
Hmm.
फीवर. अच्छा चलो लेट मी वर्क ऑन इट एंड आई स्टार्टेड अफर्मिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ एज वेल.
Correct.
दोपहर को मुझको देखते और अभी जो देख रहे हो उसमें बहुत सारा डिफरेंस है ऑलरेडी.
Hmm. Hmm.
All right, so let's go to the pointers of review.
Yeah.
The point number 1 says your subconscious is the builder of your body and is on the job 24 hours a day.
Good day.
You interfere with its life giving patterns by negative thinking.
हम्म।
Hmm. Now, what would you like to share on this? आज मुस्कान चुप चुप क्यों है?
हाँ, वही मुस्कान मैम से बहुत सुनते हैं, उनका पर्सपेक्टिव एकदम बहुत अलग होता है, बढ़िया है।
Let's hear Muskan first.
I was just listening uh, you both.
आवाज कट रही है
हाँ,
मुस्कान की.
यस यस, इंटरनेट। ने
मुस्कान फिर से
No,
बोलो.
no, I'm quiet.
हाँ, why are you quiet?
Okay, you got the voice. Like because this we are not reading the chapter now. We are discussing about the chapter, so that's why.
So, you are a coach. I think all these concepts are already in your head.
Mm.
हम्म।
Let's bring out that coach from inside.
uh, like what we are discussing on what topic? The subconscious mind. Like what is the present topic in this chapter?
Okay,
I
so
heard about it. I heard about that what we think about, we bring about.
the topic that we are discussing is about chapter number 7 that talks about the tendency of the subconscious in life word. In इसके अंदर the first point है in नूर, एक मिनट, can you take this call? उसका first point जो है, it is your subconscious is the builder of your body and is on the job for 24 hours a day. You interfere with its life-giving patterns by negative thinking.
It's a very powerful point which says that we are manifesting 24/7 times.
हम्म।
Just as a statement there is in which we say that system wins, people fail.
या।
Similarly, in manifestation, there is a powerful statement, story wins, affirmation fails.
हम्म।
Because we think that we are manifesting our life with the power of subconscious mind in the form of affirmation sitting in the Amrit Vela time or any time in a day. But the powerful concept is the story we keep on telling ourselves. There are two minds, one is conscious, other is subconscious. Conscious is a small mind and subconscious is the elephant mind. So the elephant mind only talks in stories, and the small mind, that is conscious mind, that only talks in the form of questions. If I'm putting questions to myself that this is happening, that is happening, what is the reason why, so this is not the subconscious mind which is talking to me, that this is the conscious mind which is talking to me. And with the conscious mind helps us powerfully in the introspection. But the subconscious mind helps us to manifest 24/7 once we put the right story into it, the ones we want to manifest.
Wow.
And once we say that we are having a powerful story, for example, I created a new story and I want to manifest that story. So if I really want to manifest that story, and the one thing which we have to do is we have to put belief in that story. In order to put belief in that story, there's a one powerful exercise which we do is I don't see myself, I don't take actions from this avatar of Muskan. I start taking actions from that avatar of Muskan, which is created in the quantum world, which is created in my story.
Absolutely.
वाओ।
And
And
this
because
avatar, see, जो normal मुस्कान है ना, she was telling us, मैंने पढ़ा नहीं है, इसके बारे में बात नहीं हुई है,
नहीं
मुझको
नहीं,
पता नहीं है, इसलिए मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ. And the
बोल
moment she came into her coach avatar, she has so much to
so
share.
much to
This is
share.
how things work.
Yeah, and
Wonderful.
it's always I just feel very so excited to hear her perspective. That the last time also, right, when she explained everything, it was so wonderful.
Yes.
in the one night call when I came with ma'am, I was asking about your presence.
Mhm.
So she
Okay.
told me that he only comes on weekends.
Yes, yes.
She was saying कौन है? I was like मेरे को नहीं पता, शायद आर से कुछ नाम है देना, showed the photo. मैंने कहा ये कुछ देखो.
Mm,
All right,
no.
Larry, let's hear it from you, Rajiv.
मुझे उतना डिटेलिंग अपना आती नहीं
It's
अभी भी।
okay.
Yeah. कि किस तरह से उसको रिलेट करके जो इस तरह से जो बताते हैं ना, मैं बस वो जिस लाइन को पढ़ा बस वही रह जाता है मेरा भी।
धीरे धीरे वो भी आएगा।
हाँ हाँ, वही कि वो उस पर्सपेक्टिव से, डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव से वो सब सोचना हो।
आप अपनी लाइफ में इसको
हाँ।
सोचो कि आप कहाँ पर इस चीज के साथ रिलेट कर सकते हो, एंड
हम्म।
देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट इवन बेटर, दैट विल बी अ हेल्प कि आपको ये पॉइंट हमेशा याद भी रह जाएगा।
हम्म।
ओके।
ओके, तो इससे इसका मैं यही अपना रिलेट कर पाता हूँ कि जो 90 डे चैलेंज जो मैंने स्टार्ट किया ना,
हम्म।
तो शुरू में तो लगा कि ठीक है करके देखते हैं,
हम्म।
ठीक है कि 15 मिनट ही तो पढ़ना है।
हाँ।
फिर स्लोली वही हुआ कि अब धीरे धीरे करते करते अपना 10 दिन 15 दिन हो गए। फिर उसके बाद फिर क्या हुआ कि मैं अब सोचा था कि अरे चलो आज एक दिन अपना नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा। फिर अपना अंदर से फिर अपना वो आवाज आई कि नहीं, 10 मिनट तो ही है, अपना कर ले, हो जाएगा। नहीं तो फिर
हम्म।
वो वो अपना विकास सर है जो सब जगह सबको बोल चुके हैं कि ये बहुत कंसिस्टेंट है, क्या तुम्हारी इज्जत रह जाएगी और क्या उनकी इज्जत रह जाएगी।
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल।
तो तो वो करते करते फिर वही अपना अब वो अपने आप वो फील वो अपने आप नजरों में नहीं गिरने के लिए ही वो अब वो कंसिस्टेंसी वो अपने आप बन गई। तो
यस।
वही चीज अपना वही कि अपने आप को फंसा लिया अपना हमने कि सब जगह सबको अपना जब डिक्लेयर कर देते हैं कि हाँ आई एम गोइंग टू अचीव दिस, तो उसके बाद फिर जब डिक्लेयर कर दिया तो फिर यूनिवर्स देखिए किस तरह से अपना चीजों को अलाइन करता है। वो
यस।
वो कुछ ऐसी ऐसी चीजें अपना करवा देता है कि नहीं यू हैव टू बी। अब जैसे कल मैं रात को अपना 2-3 बजे में आया, ठीक है, मैं वो सेशन अटेंड करके ऑफलाइन इवेंट अटेंड करके 3 बजे आया। उसके बाद फिर मैंने अपना वो कंप्लीट किया, पोस्ट किया, उसके बाद फिर मैं सोने गया।
वाओ, दैट इज सो पावरफुल।
हाँ।
इसके अंदर जो है बुक में ये बहुत पावरफुल लाइन लिखी गई है, दैट योर सबकॉन्शियस प्रोसेसेस आर ऑलवेज लाइफवर्ड एंड कंस्ट्रक्टिव।
हम्म।
उसके बाद जो ये इन्होंने पॉइंट बोला है, योर सबकॉन्शियस इज द बिल्डर ऑफ योर बॉडी एंड मेंटेन्स ऑल इट्स वाइटल फंक्शंस। 24/7 हमारा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड जो है वो हमारे को हेल्प कर रहा है,
कर रहा
हमारा जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है, हमारा जो दिमाग के थ्रू जो भी सारे फंक्शंस ऑफ द बॉडी चल रहे हैं, दैट आर
है।
हैपनिंग 24/7
चलो।
subconsciously, because subconscious is always trying to help and preserve you from the harm. ठीक है।
हम्म।
Point number 2 says, charge your subconscious with the task of evolving an answer to any problem prior to sleep, and it will answer you.
हम्म।
That is what I was talking
ठीक है,
about,
ओके।
कि आप सेमी स्लीप में जब होगे, whenever,
हम्म।
and Vikas has also said this multiple times in
या।
one of these sessions, कि जब आप अपने आप से कुछ पूछ के रात को सोते हो, your subconscious works on it, and
वर्क्स ऑन
by
इट,
the morning you have a solution to it as
सॉल्यूशन
well.
टू इट। हम्म।
So, let's hear Rajiv first. Rajiv needs to talk.
यस।
Yes.
So yeah,
Let's.
so I also do this exercise that every time that I have to be consistent. I have to complete my task. Okay, but is whatever I am learning. So I have to start coaching on that. I have to start making video on that. So I'm also practicing it while going to sleep or early in the morning. So something has started happening. Something is still on the way.
Let's hear Muskan.
Mm. Again, the same thing.
Yeah.
I will just say that if we have to use the power of subconscious mind, we have to just channel our energies into the right story.
Mm.
Once we are repeating the same stories to us, it gets manifest easily. I remember when I want to start my coaching business, no one was happy in my family. They were saying, हमने तो अपनी बेटी को डॉक्टर बनाया है, कहाँ चली गई है? But I was seeing the story in the long run कि nobody is stealing my profession as a doctor. I will do. MD in future, etc. But being a coach is kind of a passion which will help people to kind of help more. Like if I'll do psychiatry, वो match हो जाएगा. So what I did, no one was with me, literally in my family, but still they have paid for all the coaching जितने भी मैंने hire किए आगे. How they have paid was my manifestation. I channeled my energy into the same story again and again, again and again, again and again. I created the story using ChatGPT also, asking कि मेरे दिमाग की story ये है. Created a story in the form of present, personal and positive way. Use NLP tools, use hypnotics, use reverse psychology, use whatever, but create a story in third person sense for me. And the moment I give in, I play with ChatGPT a lot for creating stories. And once the perfect story is there for me, in which core values are also linked with NLP tools and manifestation techniques, I kind of read that story. Even वो stories यहीं पे भी रखी हैं मेरे पास, प्रिंट भी करके आई कीप विद मी, एंड आई रीड द सेम स्टोरीज डेली. कुछ अलग नहीं, मेरी मॉर्निंग ही वहीं से शुरू होती है.
Wow.
After just meeting God, I kind of because what is connection with God is also kind of, God also says that help yourself, then I'll help you.
Yes, it said, "Na God help those who help themselves."
Yeah.
Mhm.
So I
Hello,
want to say,
Vikas. Thank you for
so,
joining in.
so I want to say something that still Muskan is doing the job of the doctor only, being a
Mhm.
coach also. Because being a doctor also, you are going to we are going to heal. Now also you are healing the people.
Yes.
You are helping and healing the people.
Right. And
I'll see that you are healing more. You are healing more now and वो डॉक्टर अगर रहते तो आपसे वो सिर्फ मेडिसिन देते, वो हीलिंग अपना वो नहीं होती. लेकिन अभी जो है वो लोगों को ज्यादा फायदा हो रहा है, वो ज्यादा हील हो रहा है. क्योंकि मैं आज ही एक रील अपना देख रहा था, उसमें अपना एक बोल रहा था कि भाई मुझे बीपी प्रॉब्लम है, शुगर प्रॉब्लम है, तो दवाई अपना ले रहा हूँ. तो डॉक्टर ने बोला कि अपना दवाई लो. तो फिर बोला कि नहीं नहीं, दवाई से तो अभी कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, तो फिर अब क्या करूं. अच्छा, तो आप क्या करो, आप योगा करो, मेडिटेशन करो, और या योगा करो, मेडिटेशन करो. तो फिर वो बोलता है, फिर मेडिसिन क्या कर रहा है फिर मेरे लिए, फिर मैं मेडिसिन में पैसे क्यों खर्च कर रहा हूँ, जब मुझे योगा और मेडिटेशन और उससे ये और स्ट्रेस अपना ये सबको अपना मैनेज कर मुझे करना पड़ रहा है, तो फिर दवाई मुझे क्यों दे रहे हो आप? दवाई की तो जरूरत ही नहीं होती.
because in every disease there is first step which is taught to us to give to the patient is lifestyle modification.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Then on the second step we can go on medications, in which we tell them if you're not going to work on lifestyle modification, ये long run के लिए जाने वाला है. Either
Mhm.
it is thyroid, blood pressure, hypertension, or diabetes, or whatever
Yeah.
chronic disease a person has.
Yeah, and that's why now Vikas sir also started writing that soul surgeon.
Soul surgeon.
Yes.
Wow. Powerful.
Yeah,
Yes, I see myself.
he is not saying himself as a coach. He is saying himself as a soul surgeon. I am a soul surgeon.
Powerful.
And you are also
Surgeon.
doing the same thing. You are also a soul surgeon now. Yeah.
All right.
So,
That means
just the way Muskan was talking about lifestyle modification, if you see there is relapse and recurrence of various diseases, like even if you do the bypass surgery, and if you do not modify your lifestyle,
yes.
then clogging will take place again, will occur again.
Yeah.
So it is very important. Just the medication is not the ultimate cure. It gives a temporary relief, but ultimately you will have to change your lifestyle. I
That's
don't know in which context we were talking about all these things, but when you talked about lifestyle modification, I thought,
Yeah,
yes,
because all those limiting beliefs only becomes the clotting, right, inside
yes,
our blood vessels.
yes.
So if we release all those limiting beliefs, then our blood vessel will also already will flow it.
Right.
Will not have any blockages or anything.
wonderful. Point number 3 states, watch your thoughts. Every thought accepted as
Hmm.
true is sent by your brain to your solar plexus, your abdominal brain, and is brought into your world as a reality.
Gut
And
feeling.
we all have now, by now, we have understood that हमारे जो thoughts हैं, they are going to manifest into reality. Because
Correct.
हमारे thoughts के ऊपर ही हमारे को सबसे ज़्यादा belief होता है.
Yeah.
And
That's why we
unless and
say, right?
until we start changing the pattern of our thoughts, things are not going to reverse for us.
Hmm.
Let's hear it from Rajiv.
Yeah.
What is
So
here?
there, yeah. So earlier we were read only one brain is there, that is subconscious. But now the science is saying that there is another one also, that is gut feeling. Okay. The so gut means from here also that the whatever hormones are getting released from our gut, it creates our thinking or all those things. So we must watch your thoughts, watch what we talk to ourselves, and based on that, all things happen into our body.
While we were reading this book, the Inner Battles,
Hmm.
है ना, उसके अंदर भी there was very big emphasis on, how what we
Yeah.
talk,
What we eat,
वो हमारी लाइफ को emphasize करता ही
emphasize
करता है,
करता
and
है.
it shifts a lot of things in our lives.
Yes.
Let's
That
hear it from Vikas.
all those good and bad bacteria, right, are there in our abdomen. So based on that, our thoughts, it affects our thoughts as well,
Yes,
based on what we eat.
absolutely. Let's hear it from Vikas.
Yes, the kind of thought we create, based on that thought we create the feeling, then attitude, action, habit, personality,
Hmm.
destiny, right? So thought is very important, but uh, watching our thoughts requires awareness. And even if we know intellectually that thoughts are important and our thought creates our reality, but if you check the pattern consciously for a single day, you will find you create so many negative thoughts. So somewhere it has become a pattern. And I was talking in the morning yesterday itself, like, if you create one plain thoughts statement in the form of affirmation, it has one effect. But if you create the same thought in the form of question, you are redirecting your focus to an altogether different level. Suppose uh, something which you did not prefer or which you did not want took place in your life.
Hmm.
It might have happened one time, two times, three times, maybe. You call yourself unlucky. And the thought pattern that goes in your mind at that time is, why am I so unlucky?
Hmm.
Why am I so unlucky? So, this thought alone can trigger a train of negative thoughts. Your mind will now give you evidence of so many instances from the past which will support that belief of yours, which says, why am I so unlucky? And we carry so many such, and we ask such negative questions so often. So we have to be very watchful. It would be a very interesting exercise if we, just for maybe half a day, you do this exercise and just be an observer of your thoughts. Do not judge it. Do not feel guilty about it. Do not go into same mode. Do not go and blame mode. Just observe your thoughts. You will see the blueprint of your how the way you operate, right?
मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि if I become aware of, if I actually start monitoring my thoughts, I will stop thinking only.
So just allow the thought to pass by and be observed. Means if you try to force the thought to stop, then again this thought of forcing yourself to stop the thought
No,
is
no, no,
again the thought.
it's not forcing that I will stop thinking. It's just that मेरे को लगता है कि in life as
Let
well.
it be effortless. If thought comes, well and good. If doesn't, it's okay. Just observe. Just observe to know your current pattern.
Yes.
Actually, whenever we do such exercise like, what is your current position? So I write answers based on what we would like to have.
Mhm.
Is it similarly? if I tell you to watch your current thoughts, if you see some negative thoughts coming up, then you will automatically subconsciously say, no, I have to think positive. So this is the kind of thought I should think, right? Getting my point. So this is where this happens at a very subconscious level. That's why I'm telling you to just observe, silently observe your thought. Be a witnesser of your thoughts, even for 1 hour. If we do this exercise, then we will
Yeah,
get the
yeah.
pattern.
Earlier also, right? You said that every hour you have
Yes.
note down that
Yes, and
what were your previous
Muskan
thoughts.
is also might be aware traffic
Mm.
control.
Yeah.
Yes, so
Mm.
this is super powerful technique. I cannot tell you. This is a small thing, and now I see so many coaches across the globe also teaching this technique.
Yeah. Like 1 week, if you observe, if you note down what all were your thoughts
Yes,
in your previous hour, then you can, after 1 week, you can know that what is your pattern.
yes, and you can change the pattern. Not only know the
Yeah,
pattern, you
yes.
have the
And
power to
after
change the
that,
pattern.
you can change the pattern. Yes.
Stop, check, change.
A stop, check, change.
With Muskan must be knowing about this.
Yeah, we practice traffic
Yes,
control. Mhm.
traffic control is the ultimate. If you really want to change your life, just implement this,
Mm.
and it can bring about huge transformation in your life.
Vikas, can you share the process of traffic control for the people who will be watching these,
Yes,
recordings?
ideally speaking, traffic control means watch what kind of thoughts you are thinking, and we observe our thought. Take a pause after 1 hour for 1 minute, and look at the kind of thoughts we are thinking. This is where we do the checking part. We pause after 1 hour, and they check the kind of thoughts we are thinking. And if it is not the desired quality of thoughts that
Thoughts.
I need to think, then I will change the quality of my thoughts.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay,
This
that's
is simple. And for most of the people, it is very difficult to pause after every 1 hour, even if it is for 1 minute. So what we can do is we can fix it to certain activities that we do on regular basis. Like we drink water, we will attach that
Mm.
traffic control with that activity.
Do that.
Even after before
Walk.
having a meal, you can do this exercise. Before going to sleep, you can have this exercise. After waking up early in the morning, you can have this exercise. So associate this traffic control with the activities which you repeatedly do on daily basis.
Mm. Like
wow.
the best part is the mobile check.
Yes,
नहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि
Associate.
what I suggested sometime to somebody was कि set an alarm after every 1 hour.
Yes.
Alarm बजेगा का मतलब है कि you have to stop thinking and
Stop
you
thinking.
have to check.
in Mount Abu we have this music system. Means music will start playing after every 1 hour,
Huh.
and then
Mm.
just the game we used to play the statue.
Yeah.
Whatever you are doing, you will stop
Yeah,
there. Then
stop
there,
there.
and
Yeah.
then right. Great.
All right, let's go to
Mm.
point number 4, which reads, know that you can remake yourself by giving a new blueprint to your subconscious mind. And that is what we have been actually talking about right now.
Right.
Point number 5 says the tendency of your subconscious is always lifeward. Your job is with your conscious
Conscious.
mind. Feed your subconscious mind with the premises which are true. Your subconscious is always reproducing according to your habitual mental patterns. जो हम सोच रहे हैं उसी पैटर्न्स के ऊपर हमारा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड एक्चुअली हमारे को मैनिफेस्ट करके दे रहा है जो वही हमारे लाइफ में हो रहा है.
यस, और
But-
वही विजुअलाइजेशन के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, बट हम
कि
इसके
उस चीज
आगे
को
नहीं जा रहे
visualize
हैं.
करें.
पहले वी
Yes.
आर लिसनिंग टू राजीव.
Hmm.
व्हाट डज ही हैव टू से?
Yes. Okay. Yeah, so there it is saying, right, feed your subconscious mind with premises which are true. So उसको references अपना देना है कि इस तरह से thought हमें करना है कि वो whatever our goal was and we are sharing to our friend, okay, that why I had made this goal and this is what had happened and all those whatever goal I have written, that is now over and I'm feeling so happy and so excited that I wanted to buy a car or I wanted to buy a house and I have bought this house and I have and feeling so excited. And I'm just telling this story to our friend now, but it has already happened like that.
Let's hear it from
So,
Muskan.
As in the, I was listening to you. I was listening to you, all of you. In that, as it is said that watch your thoughts and use your subconscious mind. Conscious mind is just a job we are doing of subconscious mind. The main thing is if whenever I ask question from myself, I make awareness in myself. This is conscious mind. यहाँ से manifestation नहीं होएगी.
और सबकॉन्शियस से होगा.
हाँ, and then I ask myself only one question, क्या चाहिए वही मिलेगा बता. सिर्फ यही पूछती हूँ अपने आप से. The moment I ask myself this question, my little girl inside me say ये चाहिए. And like बस इतना से ही चाहिए. I sit with ChatGPT, I create story or I just see the outcome and then I ask myself कौन से emotions feel करने हैं. She says magic अभी magical wand लेकर आओ.
wow.
Wow.
And then I just feed that story to the subconscious mind. I don't go because whenever we go into the question state ना, faith खत्म हो जाती है. Faith का first rule ही यही है, don't question.
No, do not
Not
question.
question. वही ना,
That's
क्या
nice.
चाहिए, कैसी फीलिंग चाहिए, ये सब अपना पूछो. Keep asking.
Let's hear it from Vikas. What would you add to
Yes,
this?
yes. See, I'm the kind of person who always follows his heart, right? So this I do not use my my conscious mind to interfere in the process of infinite intelligence,
Wow.
right? So I may be not sure whether what I am about to do is relevant in the current situation or not. But since my heart is telling to do this in the moment, I thought of it. So basically, it is I listen to the subconscious mind, you can say, in other words, right? The subconscious mind drives your action even otherwise. So if you feed your subconscious mind with the faith, the trust, the expectancy, the certainty, then and you will never question it, and then you will just follow it. So we all have this infinite intelligence within this subconscious mind to guide us to take the kind direction, the action which is right for us. We just need to follow it. Most of you might not be knowing. I do not set the goals also, right? I just follow my heart. Where my heart takes, I just go there, and this happens to the turns out to be the best course of action.
But do you keep the end in your mind or not?
Faint intention. This is the desire I have. That's it.
अब
And
जहाँ
after
ले
that,
चलोगे वहां हम
हाँ.
चल पड़ेंगे.
bus. And this keeps me energetic, and this has helped me up till now. Whatever I have done up till now, it is serving me, and I'm pretty sure that this is the way subconscious mind works, right? Because you can never be sure what is the best course of action and what is your best outcome that you want. Our rational intelligence has limited capacity, but subconscious mind has infinite capacity, right? So I trust the infinite potential of the subconscious mind, the infinite intelligence of the subconscious mind, and I surrender to it and let it guide me.
Wow.
Right?
So if you're not having goal, then how you're measuring it, that you're getting that or not?
I have this faint intention. This is what I want, right? So that's what I'm saying. It may seem irrelevant at times. I am going in X direction. I should have rationally gone in Y direction. But what it turns out is that X direction turns out to be better had I taken the Y direction.
Oh, wow.
If you see, my coaching style is unconventional.
Yes.
Rather than trying to get the testimonials from my clients or customers, I give testimonial myself for them. There's so many unconventional things I'm doing in coaching also, but This is the way I do. And I think if you do anything with your heart, it will connect with anyone,
Mm.
right? So uh, you see, we have imposed so many should not, do, don'ts based on our conscious intelligence, rational intelligence, that we have burdened ourselves. We have become more confused than getting clarity. This is the thing I should do. This coach says yes, you should do it like this. Another coach says no, no, you should not do like this. You should do like that. So you become more confused than clear, right?
Mm.
And I strongly believe that I myself have all the answers within me. I just need to sit in silence. And therefore, if you ask me, I do not ask, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए,
Mm.
right? So I have that's why I have immense clarity in whatever I do. I do not ask anyone, ki, what should I do, right? What I'm telling is, so much powerful is the subconscious mind, provided you surrender to it, you have utmost faith in it, and allow it to work through you. You are
तो
just the instrument.
तो राइट क्वेश्चन पूछने भी तो आना चाहिए ना
हाँ,
सबकॉन्शियस माइंड
राइट क्वेश्चन तो पूछना है.
वही तो
That's
मैं
an art. That's an art जो मैं
Yeah.
सुबह के सेशन में बताता हूँ.
All right.
Mm.
Point number 6 and 7 say you build a new body every 11 months.
Mm.
Change your body by changing your thoughts and keeping them changed. And 7 says it is normal to be healthy, it is abnormal to be ill.
To be ill.
There is within the innate principle of harmony. ये
Yes.
बात सबको साइंटिफिकली भी पता है कि अवर
Yeah.
सेल्स कीप ऑन डाइंग एंड दे आर फिर से वो न्यू सेल्स आर जनरेटिंग एवरी
Generated
सेकंड.
every
Yeah.
seconds. Yeah.
Yeah. तो that is one part of it, but subconsciously ये कैसे काम कर रहा है? Let's hear it. Rajiv, do you want to share anything on this?
नहीं पता नहीं क्या बोल सकता हूँ मैं इस पे, विकास सर से सुनते.
नहीं देखो, क्या होता है ना,
Wait, एक मिनट विकास. Let's hear it from Muskan first.
डॉक्टर से ही सुनना है.
In this point, they were telling us about psychosomatic effect. Soma stands for body and psycho stands for, of course, the psyche, the mind. So whatever the simple thing is, if even I'm getting one acne, it is created from my mind. I am having cancer, that I have manifested from my mind. If whatever disease a person has, they have created from their mind.
अभी मुझे ये बता दो, मेरे को कफ, कोल्ड और फीवर क्यों हुआ है? ऐसा क्या सोचा था मैंने?
ये देर मम्मा की फ्रेंड है एंड उनको आई टोल्ड कि आप ना वो बुक मंगवाना, यू हील योर. तो
You can heal yourself.
हाँ, तो व्हेन शी ब्रॉट दैट बुक ना, मैंने उनके लास्ट में एफर्मेशंस देखे थे उस बुक में. ऑन 63-64 पेजेस इट इज रिटन कैंसर का भी एक, बिकॉज उनके सन को कैंसर है, तो वी वर मैनिफेस्टिंग कि कैंसर खत्म होने के लिए वो. तो वहां पर वो एफर्मेशन हर एक चीज के लिए लिखा हुआ है. एंड देयर इज पीडीएफ, मतलब उन द उसमें भी काइंड ऑफ गूगल पे भी. द मोमेंट वी काइंड ऑफ नो कि what is going in our heart, we have to simply heal it, because disease is equal to dis-ease in the heart. And the moment we come into the state of expression, it get heals, because sometimes a human sometimes a human is not seeking answers. They just want to express, they just want validation that what they're feeling is right as per, because they are a human with feelings and emotions. And once we see it from the spiritual backgrounds, वहां पर गड़बड़ हो जाती है, बिकॉज वहां पर इन सब चीजों के लिए रोक टोक होती है. बट वंस वी सी अ पर्सन एज अ ह्यूमन, इट्स गुड कि वो एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं. अदरवाइज द एक्सप्रेशन का उल्टा इज डिप्रेशन. if a person is having any pills for depressions, आजकल बहुत ज्यादा चल रही है क्लोनिडिपिन, whatever the pills are, तो द सिंपल आंसर इज उनके पास लोग नहीं है जहां पर वो एक्सप्रेस करें, सो बुक रीडिंग क्लब इज द बेस्ट स्पेस.
Yeah. Yes.
Let's hear it from
Let's.
Vikas. Thank you, Muskan.
Okay.
To change, to transform is the law of nature. Everything grows, prospers when it is flowing. So if you notice, our intestine has complete gets transformed, gets changed completely in 1 week. In 1 week, and our bodies, the cell of entire body gets 98% completely gets changed completely with and 98% change takes place within 1 year. So in a way, our body keeps on changing on regular basis.
Yes.
Every second moment, you are not the same person the moment you were before. Right now, our thought, even though we may be thinking and we may uh, just be thinking in our mind, but our every cell eavesdrop our on each and every of our thought and starts responding accordingly. Whatever thought we are thinking, every soul, every cell silently listens to it and then responds accordingly. If we say that I am young, then your cell will be vibrant. If you say now I have grown old, your cell will start acting accordingly.
And this is a perfect example of so many young women looking older, and older women have so much
Looking.
of energy. They're like, wow, wow, wow. Right?
Right, right. So that's why environment plays very important role. Suppose if you are in a group of young dynamic people, then it is highly likely that you will start thinking like them,
Yeah.
and they think very innovative, they think adventurous, right? They are willing to take the risk, and you will do the likewise. And
Yes.
you will see such people are more dynamic, more energetic, more vibrant, and more young. This is the proof.
Mm.
All right. Let's go to point number 8, which says thoughts of jealousy, fear, worry, and anxiety tear down and destroy your nerves and glands, bringing about mental and physical disease of all kinds. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है इसके बारे में
No,
बोलने
Dr. Muskan just few minutes ago, talked about psychosomatic.
Mm.
Yes.
So the kind of thought we think will have an effect on our body.
Our body.
If I'm holding grudges, resentment, jealousy, basically what I'm doing is I'm blocking the energy to
Mm.
flow. And to flow is the essence of life.
Hmm.
If I'm blocking my emotions to flow, if I'm not allowing the emotions to flow, then energy is stuck.
Ah.
Any negative emotions means stuck energy, blocked energy. So every time there is blockage of energy, it will have a repercussion on the body. It
Mm.
will show its effect in the body, and of course in negative terms if it is negative emotions. And that's why, see, happy people do not have uh, digestion issue. If you have heart filled with love, you will not have heart problems. All these are the because,
Wow.
right? So you can see, दिल की बात बोलते हैं ना, दिल की बात. So when you express what is in your heart, then you will not have heart problems. Muskan is wants to say something, I guess. Yes.
Let's hear it from Muskan.
No, I was just listening you peacefully, smilingly, मतलब प्यार से मैं सुन रही थी जो आप दिल की बात बता रहे थे.
तो वो प्यार ही झलक रहा था.
Yeah.
क्या गलत करा था देखो, और मैं दिल से ही बोलता हूँ, मुंह से नहीं बोलता.
नहीं, विकास दो जगह से बोलता है. एक दिल से और एक ये यहाँ कैंटीन
Yes,
से.
yes, interesting.
Last but not the least, point number 9 says, what you affirm consciously and feel as true will be made manifest in your mind, body, and affairs. Affirm the good and enter into the joy of living.
Hmm.
This is exactly what we have been discussing
We're
all time
discussing.
long.
Yeah.
But yes, अच्छा सोचेंगे, अच्छा मैनिफेस्ट करेंगे तो इट्स गोइंग टू कम ट्रू इन एनी केस. मतलब बुरा भी सोचेंगे तो बुरा भी हमारा
बुरा
manifest
भी
होने
अपना
ही
होगा.
वाला है.
Yes.
But let's make a conscious decision to choose positive thoughts over the
Positive
negative ones.
thoughts.
And solution-oriented mindset rather than cribbing, crying,
Correct.
victimizing wala mindset, right?
Hmm.
Let's hear it from Rajiv
Yeah.
first.
जैसे आज आपको कोल्ड हुआ तो फिर आपने पर्सपेक्टिव को चेंज किया कि कैसे मैं इसको
Ask विकास मेरी दोपहर को
हाँ.
क्या हालत थी.
हाँ वही ना कि किस तरह से फिर आपने
अच्छा, ये
affirmation.
आप लुई हे का बुक पढ़ोगे ना, तो उसमें लिखा हुआ है अगर कोल्ड कफ ज्यादा हो रहा है तो आप किस चीज को रजिस्ट कर रहे हो, एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे हो.
फॉरगिवनेस नहीं कर रहे.
You are resisting something.
Hmm.
You are trying to control something which is out of your control.
अच्छा, सोचती हूँ इस बारे में
Yeah.
रात को.
किसको रेसिस्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या रेसिस्ट कर रहे हैं.
रेजिस्टेंस है. दैट इज व्हाट आई वाज टू
Yes.
टॉक टू यू अबाउट. अर्चना और
Hmm.
मैंने मिलके बात करनी थी आपसे.
Hmm.
तो ओके, लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम यू राजीव.
Hmm. वही कि पॉजिटिव सेल्फ टॉक रखना है. व्हेन यू फॉर्म नेगेटिव थॉट्स अपना आ रहा है तो उसको ऑब्जर्व करना है, फिर उसको चेंज करना है पॉजिटिव से. कि जैसा हम सोचेंगे फिर वैसा ही बनेंगे. तो ऑलवेज pause and think that whether my previous thought was aligned to my goal or not. If it is not aligned to my goal, then just change it.
Muskan, would you like to add something to this?
What I use practically is I use two things, that is benefit of doubt and non-cooperation movement. I use doubt in the good way. I just think that a person, because negative thoughts कैसे आएंगे, कुछ नहीं मेरे फेवर में चल रहा तब भी आएंगे. तो I just think that कि it's not related with me, it's related to something which they are suffering in their mind. If it is, and for example, if there is some situation, कोई person involved नहीं है, non-living thing है, then I also say that in bigger game it is happening in my favor. The moment I say this to myself, I become, I just come into the non-cooperation movement. And how I do that, I just simply get detached, silent. The moment I start silent with means that I'm not responding to calls, I'm not responding to messages, I'm not responding to their body languages as well. Whatever drama they are showing. The moment I do this, they think कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. Then, because it happens often with me. When we enter into personal development, now we kind of change very fast. And that change is, दूसरों को वो change इतनी easily समझ नहीं आता. अचानक से कौन इसको इतना समझा रहा है, कहाँ से change is coming. These all thoughts come in the mind. So to balance all those things, once we start doing this is a state which is called as Sakshi Drishta also. And it is very powerful state, like a lotus flower, न्यारे and प्यारे.
What is that? न्यारे प्यारे?
न्यारे प्यारे means once we get detached from the person, they love us more.
I will tell you this कमल का फूल आपने देखा है ना?
हाँ.
कमल का फूल कीचड़ में भी होकर के भी कितना बढ़िया खूबसूरत होता है.
Yes, yes.
I to give myself title, I am Vibhishan in Ravan की लंका.
Great, great, great.
किस पर्सपेक्टिव में?
For example, things are not working in my favor. तो मेरे लिए तो सारे के सारे devils हो गए ना.
Okay.
तो रावण की लंका में रावण का ही भाई था, who was calling राम राम राम.
Yeah.
Similarly, I am Vibhishan in Ravan की लंका.
Okay. Yeah, वो detachment से अपना connect करके बने. Okay, got it.
Let's hear it from Vikas.
Yeah.
Yes, सब लोगों ने बता ही दिया. चलने दो उसको.
All right, that was the last point of this chapter. Next weekend, we will be getting into chapter number 8, which talks about how to get the results you want. I'm sure कि आप सबको कुछ results चाहिए life में, and I'm very hopeful, and I'm looking forward that आप सब ये पढ़ के आओगे.
Yes.
So that we have even more deeper conversation.
Hmm.
Thank you so much for joining in at this quick reminder, and that brings me in a state of deep gratitude ki thank you yaar. I have such people in my community, in my group, who are
Yes.
so supportive. Thank you
वही
so
नो,
much.
वही डिटैचमेंट का वर्ड है जो एकदम पकड़ में आ गया कि विभीषण रावण की लंका में विभीषण बन के रहना है।
Wow.
वही ना
So
कि
to me it is like
हाँ,
a lotus.
हम्म,
लोटस, मेरे को लोटस का एग्जांपल इट्स
या,
रियली क्लोज टू माय माइंड एंड
हम्म,
हार्ट, कि जितनी मर्जी गंदगी में उग जाए
हम्म,
तब भी उसकी अपनी
या,
सुंदरता कभी कम नहीं
सुंदरता
होती.
कम नहीं
नो
होती है।
मैटर व्हाट योर सराउंडिंग्स आर, यू शुड स्मेल द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल.
ब्यूटीफुल।
एनी पर्सन यू पास शुड
हम्म,
बी लुकिंग कि अरे यहाँ से कुछ तो मैजिकल निकला है.
हम्म,
आई वॉन्ट टू कनेक्ट टू दैट सोल. And with that note, thank you. Good night. Take care and have an amazing evening. And I'll go and catch up with my sister-in-law who has been
या,
waiting since last 15 minutes.
ओके,
And
ओके,
take care. Bye-bye. God
बाय
bless
बाय,
Bye.
you. And
Thanks.
thank you once
थैंक
again.
यू,
Bye.
बाय बाय,
Thank you.
थैंक यू।